Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add an electronic signature in Google Forms. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Forms. Let's open a form from here. Digital signatures have become a normal part of working online. Whether you're approving a release form, collecting consent, or onboarding someone to a new role. When you can't rely on an in-person handshake, an electronic signature is the next best way to finalize things. Before we dive in, let's clear up one quick question. Are they legally binding? Google Forms' built-in signature options usually aren't considered legally binding. They work fine for confirming information, gathering consent for low-stakes forms, or getting informal acknowledgement, but they shouldn't be used for contracts or anything with legal weight. For anything serious, you're better off using DocuSign or another trusted e-signature platform. All right, legal disclaimer out of the way, let's move on to actually adding a signature field to your Google form. The add-on needs a response sheet to work correctly, even though it feels a little out of place. Open the Responses tab and hit the green button to create the Google Sheet where everything will be stored. This will open a Google Sheet for collecting the responses. Then jump over to the Settings tab and expand the Responses section. Make sure to turn off the option that requires users to sign in. Why? Because the Signature add-on doesn't play well with this setting. If you leave it on, you'll run into strange technical glitches and missing signature issues. Turning it off saves you from a whole lot of confusion. With that done, you're finally ready to add the signature field. Click on the three-dot icon, then Get Add-ons. In the pop-up, click on the search bar and search for Signature in Google Forms by Polo. Open the first add-on that appears. This is one of the add-ons that lets you add a signature field. There are a couple more of them, such as Exclaimer or Form Sign. I will leave the link for all three of the add-ons in the description. Now click Install, then Continue. If you are installing the add-on for the first time, it will ask you to log in. Log in normally here. After you are done, close the windows. Click the puzzle piece icon and open the add-on. In the pop-up, click on Open. The add-on window appears as a panel on the side of your form. In the add-on, click on Sync Now, then Take Signature. Here you can see that the add-on has provided us with a signature field. Though this one is just an example, now when you share the form link, the signature field will be visible to your responders. Follow all these little steps carefully and you'll end up with a Google form that can collect electronic signatures. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.